How to customize your mouse pointer on your Windows 10 laptop. First, you'll click on the start icon in the bottom left hand corner. Then click on settings. Then you're going to pull it down and scroll down to ease of access and click on that. Then you're going to click on mouse pointer in the left hand corner, and there you can see that you can change the pointer size. For instance, there you can see the pointer has gotten bigger. You can get it to a huge size if you like. Here, down to a size. You can also change the pointer color. You can change it to black if you'd like, as you can see there. You can invert it, and you can also customize it to the color that you would like. There are numerous things you can do with your pointer. You can pick a custom color. As you see there, you can edit the visual feedback around the touch points when the pointer touches it. You can make visible the feedbacks larger and darker also. Plus, there are some additional mouse settings that you can go into. For instance, you can increase the cursor speed. There are numerous things that you can do to your pointer that you can edit it to your liking. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe.